everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm Rebecca. Today we have a new Dollar Tree video to see what's new and what's been restocked at the Dollar Tree. This video is for Tuesday, May the 14th, 2024. So let's go shopping and see what is new. In Apparel and Accessories, they have some of these extra large tote bags. This one says it's all about the journey. They have the light blue that says Born to Slay with the white flowers. We also have this gray one that they had out last year with the strawberries on it. It says home is the sweetest place to be, and then everything will be okay in pink. They have these really cute tapestry bags in the off-white. They have a soft seafoam green, the dark navy blue, and pink. These all have a wristlet strap of faux leather over in the corner, and the zipper coordinates with the bag. We also have the bucket hats in black, dark navy blue. There are the ones with the pink background with the white daisies, the checkerboard pattern in black and white. And then we have the baseball caps. There's the checkerboard pattern in the blue and white. The solid colors, they've got the black, red. There's also white and blue, which we've seen before. Over in the arts and crafts, we've got these new DIY wood rounds. There is the 3D style basketball. You can see the raised edge over at the side, and if I spread my hand open, it fits the whole hand. So it's pretty large. They also have the same size of the paw print. There's a butterfly with the 3D style and this new rose. Last but not least, there is a bumblebee. And we've got these small packs of the wooden shapes. You get 100 pieces of the bead hearts. You got that little dot in the middle, so you can string it up on some string. There's butterflies and leaves. We have the 4-pack of the Floral Garden woodcut roses. Some more of the iron-on patches. They just brought these back. There's the star and the smiley face with the glitter style material. I've actually used these with a heat press and they stuck on really well. I'm not so sure about how they would work with an iron, but I know a heat press, they seem to be holding up really well. The pin cushions, they have a new one out. I love this new pattern, the material they've put on it, and it's got a pink trim around the edge. There's also the macrame cord. You get 25 yards. We have it in the blue. There's the lime green and the lavender. And these are the 0.2 inch cords. They also have their macrame kit. So these have been out off and on throughout the year. They just brought them back. Lots of different like keychains and bag tags, things like that. There's usually like a wood round. There is a wooden bead and then the macrame cord and like a clip or whatever you'll need to finish it off at the top. You can also make like the large leaf that has the wood hoop. This one has the clip because it's a braided style. So everything you need is in the kit, including the directions. Then we've got the diamond painting keychains. These are fun. We've got the keychain. There is the diamond dots. There's the design, the sticky wax, the tools that you need to create all of these. They've got like a cupcake, a cup of coffee, and a bunch of new flowers out. Lots of different shades of pink. I really like that they're doing like 2- and 3-toned color flowers, how they kind of graduate in color with an ombre effect. It just makes them look so much more realistic. And there's lots of really pretty ones out right now. So make sure you check those out. I particularly like these ones here, the white and the pink. You get about 4 flowers on each stem. And the center just makes them look so realistic. Over in the baby and toddler section, they have these new baby spoons. You get them in a 2-pack. The blue ones have owls on the end. The pink have a bumblebee, but they're nice and chunky for little hands. And then we've got the socks with the baby booty rattles. There's a basketball and a princess crown. For health and beauty, we're going to go to the cosmetic style items first. They have a bunch of their makeup sponges. We have the Be Pure antimicrobial makeup sponge. And that one is the blue and white. It says it's infused with silver. We also have the infused with green tea oil or rose oil, which is the pink one. Then there's these must-have beauty premium quality nail art tools. You get them in a 2-pack. They're dual-tipped, and they have these gorgeous gemstones up the center. You get the pink and the blue. And then there's also the 2-pack of the nail dotting tool with the brush. And the dotting tool is double-sided. So 2 new packs of nail tools. There's also this Be Pure Essentially Ageless Eye and Brow Duo pencil. It is infused with like vitamin E. That's to help lift the brow and open the eye. For the hair care items, we have some new hair accessories. There's this 2-pack of barrettes. We've got like the animal print with the gold. There's also the ones that look kind of like a pearl or opalescent look. Lots of different animal print, resin style barrettes. And there's the bobby pins with the gold on the back. You get a 3-pack there. And then some larger barrettes with the traditional hair clip on the back. The 3-pack of the mini claw clips. You've got a watermelon, an avocado, and a pineapple. There's also the 3-pack of the scrunchies. You got these 3 different shades of pink, the purple and blue. And then they have the 3-pack of the blue with like teal. Over in the pharmacy and personal care, they brought back the mini battery toothbrushes. These are for like traveling, so the smaller size. There's also the personal care dark tanning oil, the After Sun soothing lotion by Personal Care, and then the Personal Care aloe After Sun gel. Then there's this honey sunflower body wash. It comes with a pump. That is by the Crystal Waters brand. It's honey sunflower scented. They also have the bath salts, some body cream. So there's the cream bath wash as well. The disposable razors that now have the holders. You can suction cup it to like your shower wall. And we've got the 2-pack with the coconut scented handles and the 3 blades. For home decor this week, not a whole lot new. There are these shelf signs that say when we have family, we have everything. They brought back these candle votives with the gold bottom, and those are in the amber, green, red, and blue. There's also this 4-pack of the candle votives and purple, yellow, white, and blue. These candle holders in the solid white or the clear. And then they have the tapier candles in gold that look like a flower stem with the leaves. The 3 different hooks for the wall, a little bit lighter than they used to be made. They just feel like they're made out of a different material. We've got this picture frame that holds 3 photos. They're 3.5 by 5 inches. And then the incense holders, they brought those back. There's the purple, the light sage green, and pink. And they all have a different design. Really pretty. For the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree section, we have the bookends that say either read or inspire, and they come in a couple different colors. We've got the dark teal blue. There's a view from the side. They also have the light blue, and then magenta pink and purple. And the words are laser cut, so you can see all the way through. There's also the index card holder or the business card holders with the decorative designs in all 4 colors. There's blue, pink, silver, and teal. Most of the teal ones were gone already. There's also the like push pins or paper clip holders for the desktop. Those have the roses cut out in the side, and then the silver with the rectangle pattern. There's pencil cups as well. And you can get all of these different sizes and all of the colors. We have some new adult style coloring books. I love the pop art coloring books. There's the ultimate pop arts. There's 3 that I found. They all have different pictures in them. What I really like about the pages is how dark the pages are with the really white background to make them very vibrant. There's large coloring spaces, lots of detail. Then I found these new variety puzzle books. These are, it says there's like 50 different style puzzles in the books. I kind of looked through, there is a lot of different style puzzles, and you have an answer key in the back if you should get stuck or not really sure how to play a certain game. They have these new books as well that are the code words. It says break the code, create your own crossword. I actually purchased one. It's quite fun to do if you're bored, just kind of sitting around. It's a really good, fun book to play with. Over in the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization, there's the new tape measures. They're a little bit heavier and more sturdy than the ones they usually carry. We've got the 3-pack of the basket labels, some painting edge trimmers, which are really nice, that fit on an extension pole. And they brought back a bunch of the large dusters and the ceiling fan dusters. Also the cobweb and corner dusters. I like that those fit on a broom handle also. We've got these extra large storage straps. They are elastic with the extra large clip on the bottom, and there is Velcro on them as well. For the kitchen and pantry items, we've got these oven mitts, which I really like. They just fit over the hands. They are $1.25. They have the, I believe they're peaches. They could be oranges. I'm not 100% sure, but they have the rubberized center, which is really nice. And then there's also the lemons, which are really cute. And you got the solid red. They also have the different flowers, the white background with the sage green flowers. There's the white background with the pink. And then these are like really large, soft flowers, just kind of blended into the background. The gray background with white flowers. And then we've got the white and gray polka dots. And you just get one mini mitt for $1.25. So you will need to buy 2 if you want a set. There are the ceramic magnets for the refrigerator, which are always really beautiful. They have lots of really pretty pictures and flower designs with different sayings on them. Always a hit. They sell out really quickly. Look how pretty all the flowers and the backgrounds are. Now for the party supplies, a few new things. We've got the specialty candles that say happy birthday. We've got the blue and green, and then the pastel set. There's also the happy birthday with the rainbows and the shooting star with some rainbows. About a week or 2 ago, I showed you guys they had a bunch of new cake toppers, which are really nice. Lots of really cute ones. I love the hard plastic. They have them in pink, blue, and gray. These actually light up. You can see the little dots if you look really closely. That's where the lights will light up on the cake topper. These also these really pretty ones that are stars that say happy birthday. And then the ones with the sequins inside, it's like a layered style that say happy birthday. There's the round pink one, the rainbow and clouds, and then the banners that say happy birthday. For pet care, just a bunch of these hard plastic toys similar to the soft squishy toys that they carry. There's the candies like the York peppermint patties, the Hershey bars, and the Reese's peanut butter cups. The seasonal items, they brought out a few more of the nautical items. These have kind of been trickling in or having some delay in shipment due to some of the storms that ruined the distribution center over in Oklahoma. But we are starting to get more of these items in as the weeks progress since the storm. So quite a few of the items are a little bit slow to make their appearance, but they are coming. We've got the 6-pack of paper trays with the patriotic, like Americana theme. There's like hot dog holders. You get 16 of those. So the larger ones you get 6, the smaller ones you get 16. There's a few different designs. There's a 12-piece cutlery set of the wooden cutlery sets there with the flags on them, some different table covers, and some different tinsel style decorations that say USA, the shooting star. There's also the balloon holders, which are star shaped at the top, and the silver, which is for the white. They have red and blue, and that has the weight at the bottom. So there are 3 in all. They also have the balloon holders that look like the fireworks at the top, which are always really cute. It has some stars attached underneath. They brought those back this year. And then these large plastic heavy balloon holders, really pretty. They have a metallic look to them. They have them in red and blue. And then we've got these glitter star gift boxes. You'll have to fold them, but you get a couple in each pack. There's the silver, the red, and the blue pack. So even though it shows all 3 colors on the front, it is a solid pack. You'll have to get the 3 different packs to get all of the colors. They have the red and blue candle votives and some new signs. They have the galvanized metal sign that say home of the free because of the brave. Has the beaded hanger at the top. We've also got Sweet Land of Liberty with the gnomes in the back of a truck and stars and stripes. Really cute. There's the Freedom, established 1776. And then we've got these stars that say God Bless America in the gold and Let Freedom Ring with the red and silver. Also the large bottle caps with the Americana feel to them. It says I'm proud to be an American. Has the red background. These are the same size as the ones you could buy to decorate yourself. There's also God Bless America, Freedom with the red truck, and it is silver on the back. Then for Teacher Appreciation Day, we have the Needless to Say You're an Amazing Teacher, and teacher is a work of heart bowls that look like apples. They have some tabletop signs that say Best Teacher and Best Teacher Ever. And then in this classroom, you are loved and respected. And if you flip it over, it says Leaders and Creators. We have this classroom runs on love and laughter and a caffeinated teacher. Then we've got some fabric gift bags in a 2-pack. They're 9 by 7 inches. We have Teach, Be Awesome, Repeat. The 2-pack that says Teachers Change the World. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. Teachers plant the seeds for tomorrow. You can get gift boxes that say all of the same things we just saw in the gift bags. They have a really pretty ribbon handle. They're like a gift bag, but they're solid, hard, like a gift box, if that makes sense. Those come in 4 different sizes. We have the mini metal pails that have the same sayings as all of the bags in the boxes. The designs on the front are just a tad different. And then the inside of all the buckets are different colors. There's red, orange, yellow, and blue. They also had these framed art pictures you can hang that says, Thanks for helping me grow, Super Teacher, and Teacher of the Year. And those were about an 8 by 8 size. For the toys and games, they had these new, kind of like moon sand. It's called Flip and Fluff. I believe you're supposed to keep it in the container and you can flip it back and forth and you can watch it fall, kind of like a little sand timer, but it's basically just moon sand. They had them in a couple different colors. They also have the wacky chickens that scream. Basically, you squeeze them and they make really loud screaming noises. Lots of fun. They come in yellow, green, pink, and blue. We also have this scented modeling dough by Curiosity. There's blue raspberry and cotton candy scent. That's the blue and pink. There's also peach and green apple. For the Dollar Tree Plus items, for $5, you can get this 12-piece Dr. playset for ages 3 and up. They also have the Toy Box Cute Chubby Animals. It's like a basically like a squishy that you can play with. It's basically like, I guess, a sensory toy. There's like unicorns, bears, pigs. There's bumblebees. They're really cute. They also have these large squishies, which feel kind of like a squishmallow. There is the ice cream cone and some sundaes or cupcakes. There's also these large DIY wooden trays for $5. They have the scalloped edges with the handles on the side. This one has a little bit more of a straight edge with the handles that have a cutout on the corner, and then the traditional wood crate with the slats down the sides. And the sizes are all on the tags. There's also the light up wands for $5. It says for ages 6 plus. It's a 3-pack. It says dive and get them, and the ends light up in the water. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'd really appreciate it if you could share this video. It would really help me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you back here next time.